beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today I am going to do a Indian wedding makeup look. I actually attended my aunt's wedding in Edmonton and I shot this video while I was getting ready on the wedding day. And honestly, I feel like this was such an amazing, such a beautiful wedding since it was a fusion of Nepali and Fijian wedding. It was my very first time attending a fusion wedding and it lasted for 3 days, and all the 3 days I had so much fun being with my aunt, being with the bride and the team. It was amazing. And on the wedding day, actually, we all had to get up really early because the wedding was during the daytime from the temple. So here I am getting ready at 6 a.m. and thankfully we were all staying at the same hotel where the function was being hosted, so it was just easier for me to actually run to my aunt's room and just to be with her and help her out. So to start off with, since it was really early, as you guys can see, my skin is really red. So I'm going to start off with skincare, and as you can see, I moisturized my face with my favorite Olay SPF 50, and I'm applying my favorite e.l.f. hydrating face primer to ensure that the base of my face is super flawless, and the foundation application would be really easy. And after that, I'm gonna go in with the Age Refined concealer from Maybelline. And guys, if you need something or a concealer which kind of does not have a really high coverage or heavy coverage where your foundation is gonna or your makeup is gonna start looking cakey, this is the one I would highly recommend. So I'm going in with my beauty blender and blending out the concealer right on top of my eyelids. Since the wedding function was hosted during the daytime, I wanted to go with a light makeup look. So, and also my lehenga, you guys must have noticed in the on my thumbnail, it looks really simple and elegant, so I wanted my makeup to kind of match it. So I'm using here the Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm applying a lighter shade into the inner corners of my eyes, and then a little bit of a pinkish shade on the outer corners of my eyes. Here I have lash extensions on, so it kind of helped me do my makeup really quickly. So perks of having lash extensions. As far as my hair goes, this was the very first time I tried a bun with gajra on, and I was really excited for it. But on the day of the wedding, since it was I was getting ready around 6 a.m, so I just tried my best and I tied a bun with it, and I pinned it with lots of hairpins. I have really long hair, and it was really difficult for me to actually put this together on my own, but I ended up tying my hair in a bun. It gave it a kind of a messy look, but it looked great. I thought it looked great. So this was my very first time, and I got lots and lots of compliments on the day, because I guess just people have not seen me like that, dress up like that. So I was really happy about it. And for eyeliner today, I am going to use the eyeliner from Sephora, and it's in the shade Blackest Black. For eyebrows, as usual, I am using the Maybelline gel eyebrow filler. It's in the shade Dark Brown. If you're somebody who is looking for a really good quality eyebrow filler, this is the one which I would highly recommend. It's the gel brow filler from Maybelline. There's some other ones which I absolutely love as well. There's CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Pencil. That's one of my favorites too, which I started off with when I got into the makeup world. So that one is a really good one as well. And if you're somebody who's starting off and want to learn how to do ombre eyebrows, I think I got a question from somebody in regards to ombre eyebrows. So I would highly recommend you guys to have or use a angle brush and start practicing with a dark black or dark brown eyeshadow. For foundation, I am using the Infallible foundation from L'Oreal. As everybody knows that this foundation is very lightweight and I really like it wearing it during the summer times. It just feels like you're not wearing any makeup. It was perfect for the daytime function. The makeup did not budge at all, and even when it was time for me to change my makeup for the reception in the evening, it stayed intact, so I didn't have to do much. I just changed my eyeshadow and the lip color and I was good to go. This foundation applies on like butter and it smells so nice. I have so much content to share with you guys. There's so much which has been happening or which has already happened, which I have to share with you guys, so I can't wait to. I am already working on a lot of content and I can't wait to release it all. So I am going to go back with the Grwm concealer, and I'm going to highlight right around the areas where I need a little bit of highlight. So that's right on my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bone, and my chin area. So I'm taking the damp beauty blender and I'm just dabbing it all on my skin. So guys, I'm not dragging the product, I'm just dabbing it in so it just stays intact. Next, I am going to go in with the Milani translucent setting powder in the shade 01, and I will be using a brush and dabbing the powder right on my skin, so the concealer stays intact the whole time, and especially this is the area where it creases a lot, so the creasing doesn't happen. Going to go in with the bronzer, and for this look I'm using the bronzer from Morphe. I'm going to grab a bronzer brush and apply the bronzer on the hollows of my cheeks to ensure I get some definition on my face. For me these days I am loving the bronzed look. Blush is coming in big time now, so I tried using blush in a couple of looks which I created, and I'm still working on editing those content for you guys, so I will be releasing it soon. So definitely check it out, and if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know, what do you guys prefer, bronzed look or more of a blushed look? If you guys have following me for a long time, you guys know that I don't put on a lot of blush. I am a bronzer girl, but there are some looks which I created using a blush, and it's not bad. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place highlighter, and I'm going to apply a little bit on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes to ensure that my eye area is the most focal point. I'm going to use the Glowdient highlighter palette. I received this palette in the Boxy charm box, and it is absolutely amazing. It has multiple highlighter shades on it, from dark brown to beige to pink. It has all the shades on it, and I am loving this particular palette right now. You could use this palette to highlight your face, and it could be used as body highlighter as well. People who know me know that I really like neutral colors, especially the lip color, but since this was a Nepali wedding, and a lot of Nepali people, especially during functions, during weddings, the women wear a lot of red and yellow. So today I decided to wear a red lipstick and use that same red lipstick to apply sindoor, and everybody really liked it. Like, I got a lot of compliments from the beautiful ladies who were at the wedding, and I was really happy that I blended in. So ladies, here's a lifesaver tip. If you are in a rush and you forget to take your sindoor, use your red lipstick. It is very versatile and you cannot tell the difference. So this is what I did, and it looked really nice. So for bindi today, I'm going to match the redness of what I'm doing here on my face, and I'm going to apply a maroon bindi to go with my outfit. Don't forget the neck area, so I'm taking the translucent powder and I'm applying the product on my neck area to ensure that the skin on my face and my neck blends and looks flawless. And I'm almost ready. To finish the look, I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray. And guys, if you love the content I create and if you love this video, show some love, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.